Good morning, students. Today we'll start a new lesson 3.5 The Donkey. I saw a donkey 1 day old. His head was too big for his neck to hold. His legs were shaky and long and loose. They rocketed and staggered and weren't much use. Okay, here the poet is discussing about a donkey which he saw. It was only 1 day old. Matlab it was a newborn baby. I saw a donkey 1 day old. His head was too big for his neck to hold. Means he saw a donkey which was only 1 day old and his head was big and his neck was not able to hold his head. His legs were shaky and long and loose. They rocketed and staggered and weren't much use. मतलब वो पॉइंट ने एक डोंकी देखा जो एक ही दिन का था, जस्ट न्यूबॉर्न था एंड इस हेड वॉज टू बिग. सिर काफ़ी बड़ा था कि उसका गर्दन उसे संभाल नहीं पा रहा था. इस लेग्स वे शेकी एंड लॉन्ग एंड लूज. लेग्स कैसे थे? शेकी थे. जब न्यूबॉर्न बेबी रहते हैं तो दे आर नॉट एबल टू वॉक. तो उनको जैसे ही वो पैदा होते जन्म होता है उनको वो उठने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो दिस लेग्स आर कीपिंग शेकिंग एंड लॉन्ग एंड लूज. कैसे है इसके लेग्स? लॉन्ग एंड लूज. दे रॉकेटेड एंड स्टैगर्ड. रॉकेटेड एंड मूव सडन. ऐसा पैर खत्म रखने जाते थे सडनली मूव हो जाते थे. एंड स्टैगर्ड मतलब अनस्टेडी, मतलब उसका मूवमेंट एक ये नहीं था, एक जैसे यूनिफॉर्मिटी में नहीं था. वो इधर उधर हिल डुल रहा था, स्टेडीली नहीं था. दे रॉकेटेड एंड स्टैगर्ड एंड वेरेंट मच यूज. मतलब उसके लेग बहुत शेकी थे, लॉन्ग लंबे थे, लूज थे और वो ढंग से मूव नहीं कर रहे थे, अनस्टेडीली थे. He tried to gambol and frisk her bit, but he wasn't quite sure of the trick of it. His square little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a lovely way. He tried to gambol means he tried to live. जब जंप करने की कोशिश करते, छलांग मारने की, ऐसे खेलते खेलते कूदते करने की कोशिश करते हैं ना. He tried to gamble. Okay, see it is a meaning is given over here. He tried to leap. मतलब gamble means he tried to leap means move playfully. खेलते खेलते you are moving over there. And frisk a bit. And frisk a bit, but he wasn't quite sure. Frisk का मतलब ही वो होता है, मतलब to move and jump playfully. Okay, gamble and frisk means to move and leap playfully. And he wasn't quite sure of the trick of it. His square little coat. See, this square little coat means he is talking about this one, this coat. You know that donkey is having a little furry over here, this portion. His square little coat was soft and grey. कैसे था? It was soft and grey. कलर कैसा था? उस नरम भी था और ग्रे थी. And curled at his neck. It was curled near the neck. Okay, see here it is showing here. His square little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a lovely way. His face was wistful and left no doubt that he felt little needed some thinking about. So he blundered round and ventured some quest, and they lay flat on the ground to rest. His face was wistful means full of hope. मतलब उसकी आँखों में, चेहरे में ये थी कि बहुत आशा, मतलब he was having some hope on his face. Okay, longing for something, मतलब किसी चीज़ की चाहत तो आपको लगता है कि अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ अच्छा होने वाला, you are hoping something. तो even his donkey's face was wistful means it was full of hope and left no doubt, and he felt little needed. So something about, मतलब it was feeling something needed. Okay, for something about. So he blundered round. Blundered means moving round awkwardly, एक अजीब तरह से मूव करना. So he blundered round in the venturesome quest. See, venturesome means daring. Quest search, the act was looking. Quest का मतलब search. The act of looking for something, किसी चीज़ के लिए चाहत बन. His face was wistful and left no doubt that he felt life needed some thinking about. So he blundered around in venture some quest and then lay flat on the ground. उसके फेस में क्या एक आशा थी, हाँ समथिंग विल कम टू, मतलब एक अच्छी सी आशा ये थे फेस में कि कुछ तो अच्छा होने वाला है लाइफ में, कुछ तो ये ऐसे सोच के वो इट वॉज ब्लंडरिंग ऑकवर्डली, मूविंग अराउंड ऑकवर्डली। न वेंचर्स एंड क्वेस्ट मीन्स डेयरिंग, आगे जो एडवेंचरस उसके लाइफ में जो आने वाले घटना घटने वाली वो एक प्रश्न चिन्ह की तरह था उसके में, उसको एक आशा थी कि वो सब चीज़ें वो अच्छे से फेस कर पाएगा। ये सोच के ही देन ले फ्लैट ऑन द ग्राउंड टू रेस्ट। He looked so little and weak and slim. Actually, this baby was little as well as weak and slim. बहुत दुबला पतला कमज़ोर donkey था. The poet is saying, I pray the world might be good to him. So, what the author is praying that the world might be good for him. मतलब वो लोग जहाँ आसपास के जो लोग हैं, whatever means वो में भी जो भी हो, छोटे बच्चे हो बड़े हो, जो भी जो लोग हैं उसके आसपास उसके साथ अच्छे से बिहेव करेंगे, उसको तकलीफ़ नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी इन द पुअर कंडीशन। ओके, दिस इज़ व्हाट द पोएम इज। इट इज़ अबाउट अ डोंकी हु इज़ 1 day old. Okay, I hope you understand. I would like to revise it once again. What the poet is saying, he saw the donkey that was just 1 day old. The donkey's head was too big. See, his head was too big and the neck was not able to hold his head. His legs were shaking and long and loose. They rocketed means they moved here and unsteadily. The movement of the legs were unsteadily. मतलब यहाँ वहाँ हिलते डुलते थे, एकदम steadily नहीं थे, constant नहीं थे. He tried to gambol and frisk a bit. मतलब he tried to live in a playful manner. Okay. His square little coat, if they are talking, his square little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck. It was curled near the neck in a lovely way. His face was full of hope. Okay, he had a hope in his face that everything will be good in future in his life, and the life will be adventurous also, and that adventurous moment will be hopeful. मतलब nobody will hurt him and everything would, whatever it comes in front of him, he will be able to face it and it will be a good one. His face looked hopeful and he appeared to be thinking about life. He was thinking about his life, that it would be very adventurous and all, and he moved again awkwardly. Blundered round means moving round awkwardly, searching for something. Then he lay flat. After thinking and searching, you just lay flat on the ground to rest. Now let's, in the last paragraph what the poet is saying, he looked so little and weak and slim. The donkey was looking very weak and slim, and so he prayed for the world that it might be good for him. He won't face any problem by the rest of the people who is around them, and he will survive. This is what the poem is. Anonymous, the poet has not given his name. So I hope you understood this poem. Read the poem again. Try to understand it. अच्छी तरह से पढ़िए, इसको ये करने की कोशिश कीजिए, और मीनिंग जहाँ पे दिए गए, मीनिंग्स आर given over the end of the poem. You try to read it, try to understand with the help of the meaning also. Okay, thank you.